Enterprise Login Screen, also known as ELS, is a separate app that works in conjunction with Device Tracker. It blocks device access until the user logs in with their SSO credentials. These login credentials are passed to Device Tracker for accountability. And the appropriate Device Tracker screen is displayed to the users based on their role. For administrators, the admin dashboard displays data across all sites in the organization. For managers, the manager dashboard displays data specific for their assigned site. And all other users are presented with a To Be Found screen, listing devices flagged for retrieval. In addition to SSO required for user authentication, check-in, check-out must be enabled, allowing the user to be associated to the device for accountability. When rebooting the device, signing out from the device, or launching ELS, the ELS screen appears, blocking device access. When you click Sign In, the SSO screen appears. Enter the SSO login credentials to gain access to the device. When launching Device Tracker, the Associate screen appears, showing the To Be Found screen with any devices listed that are flagged for retrieval. If you're a manager or admin, tap the top right menu and select Admin Manager Sign In. The admin or manager is automatically signed in based on the SSO credentials entered when signing in from ELS, which are mapped to their corresponding role. For admin, the admin dashboard is displayed, showing data across all sites. For managers, the manager dashboard is displayed, showing data specific to their assigned site. To sign out from Device Tracker, from the top right menu, click on Admin Manager Sign Out and click Yes at the confirmation message. The admin or manager is signed out, and the associate screen is displayed, showing the To Be Found device list. To sign out from the device, from the top right menu, click on Sign Out of Device and click Yes at the confirmation message. The admin or manager is signed out of the device and the ELS screen appears. The user can then sign back in to access the device. There may be situations where the Wi-Fi network is down or the SSO server is down, preventing the user from authenticating to access the device. Device Tracker provides a passcode bypass option that serves as an alternative to allow the user to gain device access in these types of unexpected situations. Passcode bypass can only be used if SSO is activated and check-in, check-out is enabled. For administrators to configure the passcode, in the web portal, go to Settings, SSO, and scroll to the bottom of the screen to the Passcode section. Click Add and enter in the group name and the passcode. Then click Confirm. The new group name and passcode is added to the list. When the user needs to use the bypass code, the administrator supplies the password to the user. In the ELS screen, the user taps on the top right menu and selects Sign in with passcode. Then enter in the passcode provided by the administrator and tap Sign in. This checks out the device to the user. When the administrator views the device in the web portal, they can see that the device is checked out by the name of the group name specified for the passcode, and that name is preceded by the word passcode _. This identifies that the user accessed the device using this passcode bypass rather than their normal username.